Praise God. My name is Amito Babra. I fellowship here at Dunamis Christian Assembly. I want to thank God for the gift of life. I want to thank God for so many things that He has done in my life, personally and my family. I want to thank God for Dunamis Christian Assembly for the good works it has done in my life and the people around me. There are so many things that I could thank God for. I can't tell it all, but there's this only one that I'll always live to testify and thank God for. I came to Dunamis Christian Assembly in August 2024, and God has done so many things in my life. My life has changed physically, spiritually, and in so many ways. But there's this one time that we had a Esther's closet. It was around October, on the 5th of October. We came in here for prayers. It was a women's prayer day. We prayed and I was going through something that I didn't expect, but I knew I was going through it. I was diagnosed with cervical cancer. I went through the treatment. But before that, as I was going through the treatment, I asked God to heal me. We prayed that day and I committed myself and believed that God would do something for me. On the 5th of October, we had a prayer, a women's prayer day. This prayer day was called the Esther's Closet. I participated. We came and prayed. We prayed and I asked God to heal me. Here is my card for the cancer treatment. I went through the phases, and after the prayers, I went back for my review, and I was told that I am healed. I got healed because of the faith that I had in this place. It's the prayer that I made and believed in that I can receive my healing at Dunamis Christian Assembly that really healed me. I want to encourage us out there. You may be going through something that you think it's really impossible, but God heals. Our God at Dunamis Christian Assembly heals. He changes situations. I did not believe when I was told that I had cancer. I took it as something that was so slight, but it was real. I went through that treatment. It didn't go well, but I had faith in God that one day I will be healed. When we prayed that day, I felt a touch of God. I felt cold. I cried and asked God to heal me, and I was healed. On the 14th of October, I was put out of this treatment and it was confirmed that I was fine. I want to thank God for the restoration of my health. I want to thank God for healing me. Let's not take anything that God does for us for granted. God is real. God is there. Just put your knees down and call unto Him. Come and fellowship with us. Come and pray with us, and God will definitely touch you. God will change that situation and will put back that smile on your face. I am happy. I am so blessed to be in this place, and I'll continue serving in this place because I know the God of this place does not disappoint. I also want to thank God for Apostle, Pastor Mugisha, and Mama Samali Mugisha, for allowing me fellowship with them, for allowing God to use them and touch souls and change situations. I want to really thank God for them. Thank you so much, Dunamis Christian Assembly. Thank you, King Jesus, for healing me.